चंद्रयान 3च्या यशा उपरांत इस्रोची गगनयान मोहिमेची तयारी चालू असा। या मोहिमेवरवी मनशांक अंतराळात धाडटले अशी माहिती इस्रोचे आदले मुखेली dr.ksivan हांणी दिल्या। तो कुंकळे NITच्या 9व्या दीक्षांत सुवाळ्या वेळार मुखेल सोयरे म्हणून उलयलो।
Technology should reach the 75% of the mass, then only the country can develop. So he used the technology, the space technology as a tool to bring the advanced technology to the rural area. Now I did not say that each and every one of you, each and every one of the citizen of the country, whether he is from the urban area or from the rural area, one way or other linked to space technology. Thanks to the satellites, remote sensing satellite, Earth observation satellite, telecommunication satellite, navigation satellite, they are doing the service. Along with that, we are doing the science missions like Chandrayaan 3, Aditya L1, and also now India is gearing up for Gaganyaan mission, that is sending man to the space and bringing him back safely from the space to Earth. That activity also is going